Hang your Penelope Tile stencil with blue painter's tape. Now take a 4-inch dense foam roller and evenly load your roller with paint. You don't want a lot of paint on your roller, so if there is any excess paint, offload it onto a paper towel. Lightly roll gray paint over the entire tile stencil. Now take a 2-inch dense foam roller and randomly roll black flat latex paint in desired areas over the tile stencil. Blend together your black and gray paint with a 4-inch dense foam roller. Easily align your stencil with built-in registration marks. Time to tackle the baseboards. Always mask your baseboard with blue painter's tape and lay material down on the floor before stenciling. For crisp edges, you will first take your rollers and roll downwards towards the baseboard. Next, take a 3¼ inch professional stencil brush and pounce into the crease while holding the stencil down.